What's up, boys? So I have some big news. Like I've stated in previous videos, I have been working day and night on releasing my own pomades. So the time has come. Official release date, guys, is going to be April 1st. Alright, live on the website, okay? So April 1st, you're gonna be able to pick up Adam's Hair Stuff OG Blend Medium Hold and Adam's Hair Stuff Fresh Slick, my Light Hold pomade. Now I've been putting my all into these pomades, guys, for the past couple months, and they are everything that I have always wanted out of a oil-based pomade. And what I always wanted is to have something that focuses primarily on conditioning and moisturizing your hair and your scalp, but also something that you can use as a everyday styling aid. With that being said, guys, a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way. I like to use the Adam's Hair Stuff Fresh Slick in my long hair the most, just because it is a lighter pomade, and also it is formulated with green tea and cucumber seed oil, which is very beneficial to your hair and to your scalp. Also, it has the scent of cucumber green tea, guys, so very good pomade for spring coming up here. I would highly recommend checking this stuff out. And then on the other hand, guys, I got my OG blend. All right, this is my tried and true stuff. This is the stuff that I am going to be using primarily for all of my guys in the barbershop who want a little bit more hold and some of that's a little bit more versatile as far as using it for different kinds of hairstyles. But this stuff is going to be great for all you old school cats who want that slicked up pompadour, high and tight, flat tops, things like that. So the OG blend is going to be just for that, for you OGs out there who have been sticking around with me for a long time watching my YouTube, man. It all started back in the day with you know, how to style a pompadour and collecting all this pomade stuff, man. So I finally got around to doing what I've always wanted to do. This has actually been a pretty big dream of mine, guys, and that is to create my own pomades. So very excited for you guys to check this stuff out, guys. Again, official release date is going to be April 1st. Go to adamshairstuff.com. I have an online store there, and you will be able to pick this stuff up. So link in the description for that website, guys. Check that out, adamshairstuff.com. You'll be able to pick these guys up. I just want to thank each and every one of you guys out there who have stuck around with me and have been watching my videos lately. It means a great deal to me, and it gave me the inspiration to make these pomades. So a big shout out to all you guys, man. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not even be where I am today, especially when it comes to what I do in my profession as barber, and also, you know, doing all this stuff on YouTube and just getting into men's grooming in general, and finally creating my hair pomade. So April 1st, guys, Adam's Hair Stuff OG Blend, Adam's Hair Stuff Fresh Slick available for sale. Be sure to check them out. Thank you for checking out this video, and if you do end up getting some of my stuff, man, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the pomades. Also, check me out on Instagram, guys. That's where I'm gonna be posting most of this stuff. All my updates and everything like that is primarily on Instagram. Also, you know, share the word, man, and spread the word for me that these pomades are out. I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, I'm very excited to be releasing these, man. I just cannot believe it's actually happening now. And, you know, thank you to all you guys, man. You already know, guys, stay fresh because you deserve the best, and we will see you guys next time. Take it easy.